If your cucumber plants are growing slow or not giving enough fruits, this simple guide will completely change your results. Today, I'll show you how to plant and grow cucumbers easily at home, step by step. First, before planting, soak the cucumber seeds in a little vinegar for a few hours. This simple trick helps improve germination and boosts faster, healthier growth. Now, choose a sunny spot. Cucumbers need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day to grow fast and healthy. Prepare loose, well-drained soil. Mix compost, cow dung, or any natural fertilizer to make the soil rich in nutrients. Plant the seeds about 1 inch deep. Keep proper spacing between plants so they have room to grow. Water lightly after planting. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Water regularly, especially in hot weather, but avoid overwatering to protect the roots. Feed your plants every 10 to 15 days using compost or kitchen waste fertilizer to boost growth and increase fruit production. Harvest cucumbers regularly when they are green and firm to get more fruits continuously. Like, share, and follow for more easy gardening tips.